The ATS can give generator service reminders based on time and run hours. The default interval for these reminders are once yearly and 300 run hours. The following steps should be performed when the generator is serviced. It can also be used to clear active service level alarms. To perform this action, escape to the main ATS menu. Next, scroll down to the Generator menu and press Enter. In the Generator menu, scroll down to Statistics and Maintenance and press Enter. Next, scroll down to Next Scheduled Service and press Enter. It is currently October 2017. Our next service reminder is due next month. Scroll to Reset Service Record and press Enter. Then scroll to Yes and press Enter to confirm. You will see that the next service date is pushed out 1 year from today, and the run hours are reset to the maximum.